called off at Tophill Nature Reserve on our way to another adventure, and boy was it worth it. Wait till you see what I captured. What a beautiful place. With 12 hides spread across 300 acres, a full day is recommended. Just 10 minutes in, and we'd heard a number of birds, the most exciting being a tawny owl. No luck in spotting it though. Now for the fun part. My first ever spotting of a kingfisher. Such a beautiful bird. We were lucky to have the kingfisher come back 3 more times. It's a really well-organized reserve, and we will definitely be back for more filming in the future. Well worth the visit if you ever get a chance. Thanks for watching. Follow for more adventures.